Hi guys, welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we're going to feature Captain Calamares franchise in the Philippines. Captain Calamares is a fast-growing seafood food kiosk and culinary experience that has been delighting seafood enthusiasts and food lovers since its establishment in March 2023. With a focus on providing exceptional quality and unique flavors, Captain Calamares has earned a reputation as a top destination for seafood aficionados. Franchise cost and investment packages. Captain Calamares offers tiered franchise options depending on the type of setup you want. Depending on your mall or location requirements, they offer specialized packages. For Giant Standard Package, Food Cart. It is worth 529,999 pesos, which includes a 4 square meter mall-approved food cart. For Kraken Island Package, Island Stand, it is worth 569,999 pesos, which includes a mall-approved island food stand. For the franchise inclusions, all in package. Their package is virtually turnkey, meaning it includes almost everything required to start operating on day one. 1. Rights. Use of the IPO-registered Captain Calamares trademark and system for 3 years. 2. Equipment. 5-liter electric commercial deep fryer, chest freezer, and rice cooker. 3. Signage and display. LED TV menu board, and an acrylic built-up lighted signage. 4. Operational gear. Complete kitchen tools, utensils, and 2 sets of crew uniforms. 5. Initial inventory, initial food supplies, packaging materials, office supplies, cleaning/janitorial supplies, and grand opening samplers/collaterals. 6. Support, crew initial training, operations manual, and marketing materials. For the operational terms and renewal conditions, for the contract duration, the initial franchise agreement is valid for 3 years. For the royalty fee, Captain Calamares does not charge monthly royalty fees, allowing franchisees to retain more profit. For the renewal terms, to extend the contract for another 3 years, the renewal fee is 50,000 pesos, or 25% of the current franchise fee, whichever is higher. For the payment terms, full payment via cash, check, online transfer, or bank deposit is required upon signing the contract. For the site and operational requirements, 1. Space requirement, minimum of 4 square meters with at least a 2-meter frontage for operational efficiency. 2. Location selection. It is the franchisee's responsibility to find a location. However, the Captain Calamares team will evaluate the spot to see if it meets their criteria. 3. The first secures rule. If multiple applicants apply for the exact same location, the franchise is awarded to whoever secures an official lease offer or notice from the lessor first. 4. Staffing. Franchisees hire their own crew, but Captain Calamares provides free training and assessment for the staff. Franchisees are highly encouraged to join the training. For the financial expectations, cost of goods sold, COGS, averages around 56%, yielding a 44% gross profit margin on the food products. Return on investment, ROI. The typical payback period ranges from 8 to 15 months, highly dependent on foot traffic and location rental rates. How to apply for franchising? 1. Express interest? Reach out to the corporate team via email or their official channels. 2. Submit proposed location. Provide site details for the franchisor's assessment. 3. Lease and approval. Secure the lease offer from the mall or landlord. 4. Contract signing and payment. Pay the franchise fee and sign the 3-year agreement. 5. Construction and training. Set up the cart/kiosk and send the crew to mandatory training. 6. Grand opening. Launch the branch with corporate marketing support. For the competitive advantages, no royalty fees. This is rare for a brand with high mainstream awareness, dramatically improving net margins. High seafood demand. Calamares is a beloved, timeless Filipino street food and pulutan. Serving it in a clean, branded kiosk format, bridges the gap between affordable street food and premium mall snacks. Aggressive marketing, backed by Quad K Corporation and celebrity marketing, the brand has built-in foot traffic. For the risks to consider, perishable inventory. Dealing with seafood means strict inventory management. Poor storage or slow sales can lead to high spoilage costs. Location dependency. Because it's a snack kiosk, it relies purely on heavy foot traffic. High mall rentals can quickly eat into the 44% gross margin if sales targets aren't met. Supply chain control. Franchisees must purchase their core ingredients from the franchisor to maintain taste consistency, meaning you are dependent on their pricing and supply stability. For the contact details, you can visit their head office with the address. Number 3, Malini Street, Riverside Subdivision, Santo Domingo, Canta, Rizal, Philippines. You may call their contact numbers at 02-87339-126/02-8646-4195. You can send them an email at captaincalamaresph@gmail.com. Visit their official website at www.captaincalamaresph.com for the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Do you help in selecting a store location? Answer. Choosing a site is the applicant's duty, but our team will evaluate your proposed spot to ensure it aligns with our criteria. Question number 2. If multiple applicants choose the same location, who gets approved? Answer. The franchise will be awarded to the first applicant who secures a lease offer or an official notice from the property owner or lessor. Question number 3. What is the minimum space needed for a Captain Calamares franchise? Answer. A minimum area of 4 square meters with at least 2 meters of frontage is required to allow efficient operations. Question number 4. How soon can I recover my investment? Answer. Depending on the location's performance, the return on investment usually takes 8 to 15 months. Question number 5. What is the estimated cost of goods sold? COGS. Answer. The average COGS is about 56%, which means a gross margin of 44%. Your net earnings will depend on your operational costs. Question number 6. What payment methods do you accept? Answer. Full payment is required when signing the contract. Available options include cash or check, online transfer, or bank deposit. Question number 7. Can I create my own marketing campaigns? Answer. Yes, but all marketing initiatives must first be approved by Captain Calamares management. Question number 8. How long does it take from application to store opening? Answer. The process typically takes between 1 to 2 months. Question number 9. Should I secure a lease first or apply for the franchise first? Answer. We recommend handling both applications simultaneously. Question number 10. Does Captain Calamares provide sales staff? Answer. We collaborate with the franchisees and give assistance with hiring their sales crew. Question number 11. Is training for sales staff free? Answer. Yes, training is provided at no extra cost. Sales staff must complete our training and assessment program before working at the store. Question number 12. Can franchise owners participate in training? Answer. Absolutely. We encourage franchisees to undergo training to better understand their store's operations. Question number 13. What is the cost to renew the franchise? Answer. The renewal fee is 50,000 pesos, or 25% of the current franchise fee, whichever is higher. Extending your contract for another 3 years. Question number 14. Do I need corporate experience to own a franchise? Answer. Not at all. You can apply as a sole proprietor in partnership or as part of a corporation. Question number 15. Are there any royalty fees? Answer. No. Captain Calamares does not impose royalty charges. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Captain Calamares franchise today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you want to have more videos like this, please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next franchising videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.